Alright, so this is going to be a very quick one. It's just that I accidentally found a way to see how much time left there is on a video. So this is just a JTB clip I had lying around, and when you press on the time, you can change it from where you are in the video or how much time left there is to the video. So I'm just gonna put my I recorded with my phone, myself clicking on the iPad, so you'll see what I mean. But if you click on the time, you can change that, and I think it's great. Just wanted to share that with you. So go do something else. Go play games. Go watch videos. Bye bye.
Oh, the first comment on that Ada on the Separate Ways video made me laugh. It was from Will. I don't know if you're in the he said he's an archive watcher, so shout outs to Will for the comment. But he said it was like, I can't remember what he said, but it was like, man, like a Separate Ways video that doesn't mention how hot Ada is. I thought, yeah, that wasn't intentional. It's just, you know, I'm just original. You know, I'm all about integrity. You know. That will not distract me.